Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 250G6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 250G6 sounds like a jet engine, you're likely dealing with a failing cooling fan. This noise is typically due to dust accumulation or wear and tear on the fan's bearings. If left unaddressed, it can lead to overheating, resulting in potential hardware damage and decreased performance. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement fan specifically for the HP 250G6. Make sure to have a clean workspace and an anti-static wrist strap if possible. To begin, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Next, flip the device over and locate the battery release latch. Slide it to unlock and gently remove the battery from its compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the cooling fan, which is typically situated near the heat sink. Disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard by gently lifting the connector. Now, unscrew the fan using your Phillips screwdriver, taking note of the screw locations, as you will need to replace them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the fan out of its housing and set it aside. Take your new fan and place it in the same position as the old one, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before closing up your laptop, it's a good idea to check for any dust buildup around the heatsink and vents. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your device to check if the fan operates quietly. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean the vents and fan area, and ensure that your laptop is used in a dust-free environment. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.